What is up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today marks week 5 on the Minoxidil beard growing journey. And hey, this is what your boy working with. Not much has changed, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Y'all see a few hairs, you know what I'm saying? All this is new. You know, underneath the neck, get some good light. Underneath the neck, mustache. You know what I'm saying? This side, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's a few vellus hairs, you know what I mean, starting to pop up. Birds chirping. It's kind of rainy, you know what I'm saying? So excuse the lighting if it's not that good, you know what I'm saying? But that's what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Not much has changed. I don't really expect any major results until about, 3-4 months. That's what usually people say, that slow gainers. They say that you really don't notice progress until your 3rd month, your 4th month or whatever. That's when it start really kicking in and your body get used to it. But as for right now, the only thing that I've gained is a little bit of weight, you know what I'm saying? My face is kind of puffy. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, look at the boy cheeks. They kind of, oh man. I mean, I was warned that your face will get a little bit puffy and you might gain a little bit of weight. But hey, when it hit me, I was like, oh my goodness, look like I've been eating rolls and biscuits and rolls and biscuits. But anyways, for those of you who do not know, I finished my last bottle of the Minoxidil liquid last video, you know what I'm saying? So week 4, I finished my Minoxidil bottle for the liquid, and now I'm currently on the foam. And I like that much better because it seems like it dissolves a whole lot better, you know what I mean, now. And it dries quicker, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes max, but really 15 minutes is completely dry. The liquid, on the other hand, it takes about an hour. I would say 45 minutes to an hour for the liquid to dry. So, you know what I'm saying, I ain't gotta wait that long no more. I can put it on, wait 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying, and go straight to bed. Or throw my black castor oil on, you know what I'm saying, and go out and do my business. Now with the liquid, it don't work that well, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to wait that hour, then it dries, then you can throw on your black castor oil and go about your business. So to each his own, you know what I'm saying? I'm not here to tell you which one is better. I'm still new to this, you know what I mean? I'm only on my 5th week of trying to grow a beard, and hey, we getting there. We getting there, you feel me? We getting there, back up a little bit. And I know some of you who are anxious are wondering why I'm posting weekly videos when I ain't getting that much, progress done. Well, because the journey is important, you know what I'm saying? If you're a slow gainer, look, my dog pooping. Didn't mean to cut y'all off, but that's funny. Anyways, but yes, the journey is important, you know what I mean? And I don't want anybody to start and stop halfway or not go all the way. Me, I'm all about the locked in way. That's why this channel is locked in, you know what I'm saying? We locked in on this right here. We ain't going nowhere. We not moving. I'm gonna do my year, even 2 years if I have to. If I start seeing results, I'm going all the way. I'm trying to tell you, and I see some, because I ain't have all this before. All underneath the neck. I'll insert a picture of how I used to look. Wow. Check that out. You know what I'm saying? The boy has got some progress, so you can't tell me that it don't work. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know it worked, but as far as genetics, I don't know. It's going to take me a little bit longer than most people. Some people can put it on today and have a whole beard within a month. You know what I'm saying? Those people are what I like to call freaks. Not that they freaky about hair, but like, it's like freakishly crazy how fast they can grow hair, you know what I mean? Ain't nobody freaking on hair. I don't think so. All right, let's stop talking about that. But anyways, fam, not to hold y'all or keep rambling, this is my 5-week update. As you can see, that's all I got. Hey, comment down below, tell me where y'all at on y'all journey. If y'all started y'all beard journey, if you're thinking about doing it, you know what I'm saying? Let me know down below and we can hash it out. But until then, it's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.